of the day, legal trouble mounting for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra after a complaint has been filed against the Wayanad MP by the BJP candidate in Kerala seeking disqualification of Priyanka as a member of parliament. Now, the Wayanad BJP candidate Navya Haridas, who had fought against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the recently held by-elections, has filed a complaint in the Kerala High Court to cancel Priyanka's victory from Wayanad. Navya alleges that Priyanka hid property information and sought annulment of the election. Wayanad has been in the spotlight ever since Congress made it official that Priyanka Gandhi will be contesting from there, and the BJP had also launched a multi-pronged attack on the Congress. But Priyanka won from the safe seat and the Congress bastion with a heavy margin. My colleague Sabir Sachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabir Sachi, take us through the details of the petition that has been filed by the BJP leader against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP leader Navya Haridas, who had contested against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Wayanad, where she lost against her by about 5 lakh vote. Now, under these circumstances, Navya Haridas has filed a petition in the Kerala High Court stating that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has not disclosed the information of her assets, of the assets owned by her and her family members. In fact, she has also not disclosed the pending cases that has been going against her. Now, under these circumstances, Navya Haridas has also demanded that the Kerala High Court should also cancel Priyanka Gandhi's win from the state, from Wayanad. Now, the court will start its hearing from January itself, because the court is heading towards a winter break. So, January only the case will be heard. Meanwhile, the lawyer of Navya Haridas has claimed that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has put the voters of Wayanad in dark, and she has not disclosed the assets owned by her family and by her, and also not disclosed the pending cases that has been going against her. And under these circumstances, action must be taken against her, and her win must be cancelled.
Okay, all right. So she has approached the Kerala High Court with this plea. Has there been any hearing date that has been set for it, or any reaction that has come in from the Congress party, or any details of the property that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has allegedly hid that has been mentioned in the complaint, Sabir Sachi?
See, as of now, the lawyer of Navya Haridas has just mentioned that since the court will be heading for a winter break, so the hearing in this matter will only take place in the month of January 2025, and the Congress party is yet to officially react to the petition filed against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but most likely the Congress party will reject the allegation coming against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and once again will call it a diversionary tactic by the BJP to deviate the attention of the people of the country. Meanwhile, we have to wait and see how the Congress party reacts to these allegations.
Okay, in fact, there's trouble mounting for the Gandhi siblings. Do stay on with us. We have more breaking updates coming in.